Good evening, guys. We're live at 7:16, and we are running the second mini for the UCAS 90 Plus blue painted helmet Boba Fett. It's a pretty spectacular figure, honestly. There he is. Check him out. He's a beast. Top 4 will win spots in the main. I'm going to paste our list of 30 entries in here. There they all are in a nice little row. I'm going to back Patrick up here, just so the row's nice and straight. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got an 8, so we are cooking with gas. Good luck, everybody. Let's get down to business. Marking the top spot for our first round, round 1. Josh 2. David takes round 3. Dave Chrisman, round 4. Steve in the top spot for round 5 with number 24. And round 6 with number 24. Look at that. David Penland in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7 with number 9. Bringing us to the final. If I can spell it round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners, are David Penland, Ryan Carlton, Steve Ed, Ryan Carlton. Congratulations, guys. There's the rest of our results. Here's our verification code. NNGLXB is our verification. There's the results and our winners. Meaning, I am DONE done at 7:17 p.m. There it is. One last gander. Here's our results. Congratulations to our winners. Make sure you head on over to the main then to pick your spots in order. Thanks, guys.